Paw Patrol is on the roll. This is Ryder here. Me, Chase, Marshall, Rubble, Zuma, Sky, and Rocky are here to help you learn your sight words. Follow along as KiddiE, CuL-De-SaC, and Paw Patrol help learn our kindergarten sight words. Okay, now let's get into week 1 of our kindergarten sight words. A. A. This is the letter A. I. This is the letter I. C-A-N. Can. C-A-N. Can. C-A-N. Can. W-E. We. W-E. We. W-E. We. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. Alright guys, that does it for week 1 of our kindergarten sight words. This is Chase, Marshall, Rubble, Zuma, Sky, and Rocky. And Ryder, we're the Paw Patrol. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe to KiddiE, CuL-De-SaC.